Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word flowerpot. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I bought a beautiful flower pot to plant some colorful flowers in my garden. A flower pot is a container, typically made of clay, plastic, or ceramic, used for holding and displaying flowers or plants, often used in gardening. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.